If you want to share notes on your iPhone so that other people can collaborate and see and even add things to your own note, I'll show you exactly how to do that on your iPhone. The first thing you're going to do, of course, if you haven't already, is open up the Notes app. Tap the back arrow at the top left until you get to a screen like this. Keep in mind, you can only share notes if the note is in your iCloud. So if you have iCloud notes turned off, you need to toggle this on in the settings. And then just tap on, let's say, this YouTube note and shopping list. I'm going to start to share this and collaborate by tapping on the share icon at the top right here. And now you can see at the top it says shopping list and it defaults to sending a copy. Now sending a copy just means they can read it. It's sort of a read only, but we want to switch this to collaborate so that they'll be able to add things in real time. So tap on send copy and switch this to collaborate. And now all you need to do is tap on the messages, or you could email it if you wanted to, but I usually send it through messages. And I'm just going to type in my wife's name here, Haley, and hit send. Just like that, I've added her to collaborate with this shopping list. You'll be able to see at the top right, it now shows that little person with the check. I can tap on it. And you'll be able to see it will say, once she approves this, current participants, and it will show her on there. Now, let me show you an example where she is already on a shared note. So I can tap the back arrow until I get back to the beginning, and you'll see shared at the top. I can tap on that, and then let's tap on this, which is, oh, that's the old one. Let's tap on this, which is our actual shared shopping list. Again, I'm going to tap on the little person at the top right here, and you can see it says last updates, you and Haley, active participants, and a participant cursor. I can tap on show updates if I want to see all of the activity and updates. I can also tap on manage shared note on here, and you'll be able to see, again, I'm the owner and Haley has been invited to collaborate. I can always scroll down and choose stop sharing if I don't want her to share anymore. And I can also just tap on her name on here. You can switch her to view only, or you can choose to whether to remove her access or whether she can add other people, again, having more people share or collaborate on a note. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.